Have you ever sat on the edge of your bed in the morning? Not because of pain, but because your legs just don't feel ready yet? Like they need a few extra seconds to wake up and carry you through the day? Or maybe you've noticed that standing up from a comfy chair takes more effort than before. Perhaps your balance isn't quite as steady. It's easy to brush these things off with a casual, "I'm just getting older." But what if it's more than that? What if this slow loss of strength is a warning sign of something deeper? Something quietly working against you? This could be sarcopenia, a condition that slowly weakens your muscles year after year without making a sound. Here's the alarming part. Studies show that up to 1 in 3 people over 60 have it, and most don't even know until it's too late. Often it's only after a fall disrupts their life or takes away their independence that they find out. According to the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association, people with sarcopenia are twice as likely to fall. And those falls, they often lead to hospital visits or even permanent disability. But what's even more frightening, this kind of muscle loss doesn't just happen from skipping workouts. It can happen quietly, even if you're not doing anything wrong. Did you know that your muscles can actually start breaking down while you sleep? It's true. If you go to bed without giving your body the nutrients it needs, your muscles might slowly weaken overnight. You may think you're resting and recovering, but without the right fuel, you could be waking up a little weaker each day. That's why what you eat before bed can be incredibly important, especially if you're over 60. In fact, it might be the most important meal of your day. Here's the exciting part. Scientists have now identified 7 bedtime foods that can help stop muscle loss and even reverse it. These aren't just healthy snacks. They've been shown to rebuild lost muscle, boost strength, and speed up recovery, even for people in their 70s and 80s. And trust me, you'll want to hear about the #1 food on this list. It's not only powerful, it's been clinically proven to reverse sarcopenia and spark real muscle growth in people over 80. I'll show you exactly what this food is, how much to eat, and the best way to include it in your nighttime routine, so you can start regaining your strength and energy naturally. Before we jump in, tell us where you're watching from in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful health tips. Let's get into the list, starting with number 7, eggs, especially when they're soft-boiled or poached. Eggs have long been known as one of nature's most complete sources of protein. For older adults, they're not only easy on the stomach, but also packed with the key nutrients your muscles need, especially before bed. What makes eggs so powerful? They contain all 9 essential amino acids in just the right balance to support healthy muscle growth. One of these amino acids, leucine, plays a key role. It actually helps turn on your body's muscle-building switch, known as muscle protein synthesis. A study published in Nutrition Research found that older adults who ate leucine-rich foods like eggs at dinner saw a 25% boost in muscle building overnight compared to those who ate low-protein meals. Here's something many people don't know. Cooking eggs lightly, like poaching or soft boiling, makes their nutrients easier for your body to absorb. This is especially helpful for seniors, since digestion tends to slow down with age. And eggs offer more than just protein. They also contain vitamin D and vitamin B12. Both are essential for muscle strength and keeping your nerves working properly. A lack of vitamin D in particular can seriously affect muscle health. Low levels of vitamin D have been directly linked to weaker muscles and a higher risk of falls in older adults. That's what makes eggs even more valuable. They're one of the few natural foods that provide this essential sunshine vitamin. To turn eggs into a smart bedtime habit, try having 1 or 2 soft-boiled or poached eggs about an hour before you sleep. A small pinch of sea salt can add flavor. And if you enjoy a savory snack, you might toss in a few steamed spinach leaves too. It's best to skip fried eggs or cheese, since heavy fats can be harder to digest and may disturb your sleep. If you like variety, a light egg salad made with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise is a great alternative. When prepared right, eggs can be your muscle's best friend at night. Now, at number 6, we have almond butter. It might not be the first food you think of before bed, but it's actually one of the most muscle-friendly snacks you can include in your nighttime routine. Why is it so effective? Almond butter is packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, and important nutrients like vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and magnesium, which supports muscle function and helps your body relax. This combo doesn't just support your overall health, it directly fights muscle loss and helps repair muscle while you sleep. Almond butter is also rich in arginine, an amino acid that plays a big role in. Almond butter also supports better blood flow to your muscles. And when blood flow improves, your body can deliver more nutrients and repair muscle tissue more efficiently, especially while you sleep. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed older adults who added moderate amounts of healthy fats from nuts into their diets. The results were eye-opening. Those who included almond butter in their evening meals held on to much more muscle over 6 months, even when they were inactive or recovering from illness. In fact, they kept up to 15% more lean muscle mass compared to those who didn't. That's a huge difference, showing just how powerful the right food at the right time can be. Want to make almond butter part of your bedtime routine? It's easy. Spread a tablespoon on a slice of whole grain toast, or stir it into warm oatmeal, or mix it with a bit of cottage cheese for a filling, muscle-nourishing snack. Just 1 tablespoon gives you about 3 grams of protein and 8 grams of healthy fats. A combo that helps steady your blood sugar overnight and feeds your muscles while you sleep. For best results, choose natural almond butter, the kind with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils. And if you often wake up hungry or find it hard to stay asleep, this creamy, satisfying spread might be exactly what your body needs. Its slow-burning energy helps you feel full and satisfied, while quietly supporting the long, steady muscle repair process that happens while you sleep. Now, sliding into number 5 on our list is something that might surprise you: tart cherry juice. It's more than just a trendy drink. For seniors, it can be a powerful nighttime tool that helps protect muscles and boost recovery as you rest. What makes tart cherry juice special? It's packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, natural compounds shown to reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and support muscle repair. These are all key factors in the fight against sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle. One study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that older adults who drank tart cherry juice twice a day for just 10 days had 34% less muscle soreness and improved strength recovery after exercise. The idea is simple. When your muscles recover better, they rebuild stronger. But that's not all. Tart cherry juice also helps boost your body's natural melatonin levels. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. And getting deep, restful sleep is crucial for overnight muscle repair. Getting deep, restful sleep is more important than you might think, because it's during the deepest stages of sleep that your body does most of its muscle repair and rebuilding. If you're waking up often or struggling to fall asleep, you're missing out on the key time when your muscles are supposed to recover and grow stronger. To make tart cherry juice truly work for you, try drinking about 8 ounces of pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 minutes before bed. Make sure it's 100% juice with no added sugar or fruit blends. If the taste feels a bit too tart, you can mix it with a splash of water. Or, for a more filling option, blend it into a bedtime smoothie, maybe with a scoop of protein powder. Some people even like to warm it slightly and sip it like a calming tea. No matter how you enjoy it, the goal is to let those powerful antioxidants help your body reduce inflammation, promote recovery, and ease you into deep, deep healing sleep, so your muscles can repair themselves more effectively overnight. Think of it as setting your body into repair mode before your head even hits the pillow. Now, coming in at number 4, we have pumpkin seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. These tiny green seeds are packed with nutrients that are essential for protecting and rebuilding muscle as you age. Pumpkin seeds are especially rich in magnesium, zinc, and high-quality plant protein, 3 key nutrients that work together to fight the effects of sarcopenia. Magnesium in particular is often overlooked, but very important for seniors. It helps control muscle movement, supports the building of new muscle, and even promotes better, deeper sleep by calming the nervous system. A key study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society showed that older adults who took enough magnesium had 30% stronger leg muscles compared to those with low magnesium levels. What makes pumpkin seeds so powerful before bed is their mix of plant protein and tryptophan, an essential amino acid. Your body turns tryptophan into serotonin, which helps you feel good, and then into melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. As we've said, good sleep is crucial for fixing the small muscle damage that happens every day. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds gives you about 7 grams of protein and nearly 40% of your daily magnesium, a big benefit from a small handful. For the best effect, try eating 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds about an hour before bedtime. You can enjoy pumpkin seeds raw, lightly roasted for a richer taste, blended into a small smoothie, or sprinkled over yogurt. Just make sure to pick unsalted, natural pumpkin seeds to avoid too much sodium, which can affect your sleep or blood pressure. Some seniors find that soaking pumpkin seeds during the day helps them digest better. They then lightly toast them before eating as an evening snack. However you like them, adding pumpkin seeds to your nightly routine is a simple and effective way to help rebuild muscle. Now, if there's one dairy product that deserves a regular place in your bedtime routine, it's Greek yogurt, our number 3 pick. This thick, creamy, and protein-rich food is great for aging muscles because it provides both fast and slow-digesting proteins that work together overnight. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained multiple times, which increases its protein content. Just 1 cup offers about 20 grams of high-quality protein, including a good balance of whey and casein proteins. This mix is important for muscle repair at night. Whey protein is absorbed quickly and starts muscle building soon after you eat it. Casein protein breaks down slowly, releasing amino acids over many hours to keep feeding your muscles while you sleep. Casein protein releases amino acids slowly over several hours, making Greek yogurt the ideal bedtime snack. It gives your body a quick start to muscle repair and then keeps supporting it all night long. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that older adults who ate a protein-rich yogurt snack before bed increased their muscle building by 26% compared to those who didn't eat before sleeping. That's a big gain from such a simple and tasty food. But Greek yogurt offers more than just protein. It's also rich in calcium, which helps muscles contract properly and supports nerve function. Plus, it often contains probiotics that improve gut health, helping your body absorb nutrients better. This means more protein and amino acids reach your muscles where they are needed most. To make your Greek yogurt snack even better, try adding a teaspoon of chia seeds for omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. A handful of blueberries or raspberries adds antioxidants called polyphenols that fight inflammation in aging muscles. If you want a little sweetness without harming your sleep, a small drizzle of raw honey can help keep blood sugar steady and support melatonin release. Try eating this healthy and delicious mix about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Try this about 30 to 60 minutes before bed, and you'll have created a muscle-repairing snack that works great and tastes like a yummy dessert. Now, coming in at number 2 is cottage cheese, a food that's becoming very popular again. It's one of the best bedtime options for seniors who want to fight muscle loss. Like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese is full of casein protein, which digests slowly and gives your body a steady supply of amino acids all night long. This steady flow helps your muscles repair and grow while you sleep. But cottage cheese has an extra benefit. It contains a lot of leucine, an important amino acid. Leucine is like a switch that turns on muscle building in your body. A strong 12-week study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who ate cottage cheese before bed, combined with light exercise, increased their muscle strength by 27% and gained 20% more lean muscle mass compared to those who didn't eat protein at night. Cottage cheese is also soft and moist, making it a great choice for people who have dental problems or less appetite. Besides having lots of protein, cottage cheese is easy to chew, making it great for those with dental issues. It also provides important minerals like phosphorus and calcium, which help keep your bones strong and support proper muscle movement. This food not only feeds your muscles, but also helps your whole muscle and bone system stay healthy. Because cottage cheese is usually low in carbs, it won't cause a big spike in insulin or disturb your sleep hormones. To make it tastier and even better for you, try mixing half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese with a spoonful of chia seeds and some berries. Let it sit for about 10 minutes so the chia seeds get soft and plump. This makes a naturally sweet, fiber-rich snack that helps keep your blood sugar steady and stops you from feeling hungry during the night. Just choose a low-sodium cottage cheese to avoid fluid retention and keep your sleep quality good. Many seniors say the simple mix helps improve their strength and keeps them full enough to avoid late-night snacking. Now we've reached the number 1 food, the true champion for bedtime nutrition. This powerful combination has been proven by science to actually help reverse sarcopenia and rebuild muscle in older adults, even those in their 80s. But it's not just about eating whey protein alone. The real magic happens the real power comes when you mix a high-quality whey protein shake with added collagen peptides and an extra dose of leucine. Together, these 3 ingredients create an amazing muscle-repairing drink that helps your body rebuild itself while you sleep. Here's why this mix works so well. Whey protein is known for being one of the best and fastest proteins your body can use. It contains all the essential amino acids and has a high amount of leucine, the key amino acid that starts muscle building. A major study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who drank 40 grams of whey protein before bed increased their muscle building by 32% compared to those who only had carbohydrates. But things get even better when you add about 3 grams of extra leucine. That same study found that this addition more than doubled the muscle building effect compared to whey alone. Collagen peptides, the second important ingredient, work in a different but supportive way. While whey builds the muscle fibers, collagen strengthens the muscles' surrounding parts, like tendons, ligaments, and joints. It also has important amino acids like glycine and proline, which help. Collagen also helps muscles recover and can lower the risk of injuries. A study published in Osteoarthritis and Cartilage found that seniors who took 15 grams of collagen every day improved their muscle strength and joint stability a lot in just 12 weeks. This means you're not only building muscle, but also protecting your joints and easing pain that might stop you from staying active. To make this perfect muscle repair shake for bedtime, mix 1 scoop, about 30 to 40 grams, of high-quality grass-fed whey protein with 1 scoop of collagen peptides and 3 grams of pure leucine powder. Blend it with unsweetened almond milk or water and drink it about 45 minutes before going to bed. If you want to make it taste better and add more nutrients, try a pinch of cinnamon to help control blood sugar or half a banana for extra potassium and natural melatonin support. This carefully made shake gives your body everything it needs to stop muscle loss and build strong muscles while you sleep. It's more than just a bedtime snack. It's a scientifically proven way to help your muscles stay strong and healthy as you age. So, there you have it, the top 7 bedtime foods that can truly change how your body ages. From the slow-release power of cottage cheese and Greek yogurt to the ultimate muscle-building mix of whey, collagen, and leucine, each of these foods plays an important role in rebuilding your muscles and fighting sarcopenia. Just by adding one of these nutritious options to your bedtime routine, you may start to feel stronger, more energetic, and more able within a few weeks. When you combine them in a smart way, the changes can be truly amazing. Remember, your muscles aren't lost forever because of age. Science shows that even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, it's possible to regain muscle and feel healthy and strong again. The key is giving your body the right fuel at the right time, and that time is just before you go to sleep. Now we want to hear from you. Have you noticed your arms or legs feeling weaker over time and thought it was just normal aging? Which of these helpful bedtime foods do you already eat, or which ones are you excited to try tonight? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for watching.